At Elemental Informatics, even our smallest drones produce big data. What you're seeing here is a high-fidelity 3D model of a clay mine, spanning over 40 acres, meticulously captured and rendered. As the drone flew over the area, it used its high-precision GPS and high-resolution camera to take thousands of precisely aligned photos. We then processed those photos to create this precise 3D model of the area with over 25 million geo-reference data points. These 3D models aren't just static assets, they're interactive on the Nira platform. Here, every aspect of the 3D model is at your fingertips. Inspect, annotate, and explore with ease, bringing data to life. In addition to 3D models, we also excel at delivering 2D products. The two most commonly requested are the orthomosaic map and 1-foot contours. We can deliver them via our Sol platform, as you're seeing here, and in whatever file format and coordinate reference system you require. Our solutions are more than just maps and models. They are tools for insight and precision, designed for surveyors, architects, and construction experts who demand the best. We have the information technology expertise to help you integrate them into your workflow in a way that maximizes their utility and value. Contact us today to see how quick and easy it can be.